Good afternoon everyone, I hope you are all well. So I'm on the first day of a few nights out. This is the first time I've done a kind of, a sequential few nights out this season on intercruise. We'll take each day as it comes. I'm in the yard now. I've got CCY, which is the coach behind us, you can see. Unfortunately, Hannah's managed to get a crack in her windscreen. We're not entirely sure how it was done. We think maybe a stone has kicked up in the yard. But anyway, unfortunately, the glass company aren't able to get to her until tomorrow, which is too late for me. So I've now got CCY for the next few days, which is unfortunate. I wish I had Hannah, but these things happen sometimes. So, first thing is we are running up dead today. So it's the afternoon, early afternoon, running dead up to Blackpool. Staying in the hotel tonight, ready for Blackpool down tomorrow morning. So first thing, as I say, run up, and we'll see what happens in the next few days, eh? Well, hi guys, excuse me squinting, I'm looking straight into the sun here. But anyway, you see the coach behind me. We have arrived in Blackpool. So it's just kind of mid-afternoon. The idea was obviously to get here before the rush hour. The M6 northbound, as many of you know, especially this kind of slightly more northern section, can be an absolute nightmare at rush hour. I know it's only Thursday, but still, so we're here nice and early, beat the traffic, and that's basically it now for the rest of the evening. I'll go around the other side and take a video showing you the other side. We're here at it's a Premier Inn, and there's a pub here as well, and this is where we pick up tomorrow morning, so all good for that. So yeah, I'll flip the camera around and show you the other side, but that's really it. Straight run up, no problems, straight across the A50, straight up the M6, 7:55 into Blackpool, and we are kind of on the edge. If you can hear the noise in the background, that is because if I spin round, it's behind us is Blackpool Airport. So don't know if you can see, don't know if you can see that in the background. You might just be able to pick out somewhere, yeah, you might be able to pick up the yellow helicopter that's taxiing across the tarmac at the moment. Mayor's causing all the noise, but anyway, so yeah, Blackpool Airport is right behind us. But anyway, I'll show you around this later in a minute. Okay, so this is the other side. You can see we're parked down there. I know that looks like it's double yellow lines, but it is actually a bus stop there. And then as we pan around, this is the pub. It's called the Air Balloon. And then the Premier Inn is just over the back there. And as you can see, we are at Blackpool Airport. So this is the front side. This is where we'll pick up all the passengers in the morning. I suspect when I come down, I think leave time tomorrow morning is something like 5:45. I'll probably come down around about 5:15, so got to do more walk around, checking that kind of stuff. Almost guarantee that by that point there'll be passengers will be here waiting for us. Not sure if there's another coach coming. There's not another skills one that I know about, but Ellison's often do here as well, so maybe another guy would have rolled in by tomorrow morning. We'll see. But anyway, that's it for me tonight. I think I'll see you in the morning. Well, I hope you can hear me. Quick video at Knutsford Services. Bit of a nightmare this morning at Blackpool. I'm not going to go into details, but yeah, it happens sometimes. We were late then at Preston. Everyone was waiting for us at Preston, so just load and go straight away. That's why I've not done a video up till now, but here we are at Knutsford, just waiting for the last two passengers, and then we'll get ourselves away. We'll stop at Norton Canes on the way down. Hopefully I'll remember to do a video there, but we'll see. But yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. Yeah, we'll see what happens on the run down to Southampton.
Voiceover Robin here. Turns out I didn't record any more videos on that day, but on the one of the roads into the port they have this crossing where these funky container carrier machine vehicle things pass. I just wanted to show you that one I could.
Good morning from a, well, probably going to be sunny Southampton. This is my first time I've done an overnight down in Southampton this season. Probably do a few more after this, but anyway, so here we are. You can see the coach behind me, got CCY. Probably said about that already, hopefully I can't remember anyway. And we are at the Mayflower terminal for Sky Princess. That's the ship behind us over there. A little quick pan around, you can see the ship. And then also all of the coaches lined up all the way down here. So just arrived, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Just waiting for passengers to come, and then we'll load up, and I'm going up to Bangor via Knutsford, Holywell, Abergele. I can't remember. I need to check, make sure I go to the right place. But anyway, this is us for today. Hi, good evening guys. We've made it to Bangor. We are at Bangor Services, A5. travel lodge. So obviously the coach is behind me, she's all sorted out, ready to go for tomorrow. Quick spin round, there's a Starbucks behind me here. The actual main service block is that one over there. There's the fabulous choice of either Burger King or Burger King at this place, and the travel lodge. And then kind of round behind me over here is the petrol station and like a mini Asda kind of thing. So that's it, that's all there is here. So we're here starting again tomorrow morning with a pickup run down to Southampton again. So that's it, me for the night. Okay guys, well, good morning guys from the train station at Llandudno in North Wales. So we did the Bangor pickup, just a few people there. We're here at Llandudno just for the next pickup. Then we've got Colwyn Bay, Abergele, Holywell, and then after that we'll be off down towards Southampton. So that's today. Well, hi everyone, we are at Norton Canes services on the M6 toll, here for a 45 so I can reset my driving hours, get us down to Southampton and stuff. So you see the coach behind us parked up, and then the services is sort of that way. Quite a popular rest stop, this one, because I think I've explained this before, but in case you're new, then if coach drivers come in here and bring passengers in, we can get the toll for free. So it's a great little 15-mile section of motorway that's free, well, free, not free cost, but you know, free flowing, nice and easy, good bit of road surface, you know, just a lovely 15-mile stretch, and it's not busy. And then of course you hit southbound, you hit the M42 on the side of Birmingham. It's a total nightmare. But anyway, so a good little bit of motorway. So that's why we're here. Norton Canes services for a rest stop, and then we'll be on our way down to Southampton. Well guys, we've made it down to Southampton. We are at Ocean Cruise Terminal today. It's very busy here, so they've stacked us up at the bottom. Passengers are just waiting to get off now. We'll get them through as quick as we can. So that's it, third run on intercruise pretty much done. We've got one more night in a hotel down here in Southampton, and then me and my colleague Gus are doing a couple of private hire jobs from near London tomorrow. So yeah, good rundown. We are only, what's time? We're literally, I think, 10 minutes after our scheduled time, which is great, no problem whatsoever. So it's been a good day. Here we go.
There's an unmanned commercial fuel station on the port site, not far from where we drop off at the terminals, and we can use that obviously to fill up. So this is just what it looks like. I say it's just fairly plain and boring. It's unmanned. There's just a line of pumps and mostly lorries, obviously. But obviously some coaches come in here and use it. This particular one takes one of the fuel cards we have. So you just, you know, it's an obvious process. Put the card in, put your pin in, mileage, authorise the pump, fill up with both AdBlue and diesel if you need it. Print a receipt, and then you hand that into your office, you know, as you would do with any kind of purchase. So this is quite useful, having a petrol station here on the site that we can, you know, use to get fuel when we're up and down Southampton.
Good morning from a sunny Southampton. I hope you can hear me above the traffic. It's a bit of a bypass road here in this lay-by that we park in. The coach behind me, you can see it's about 5-minute walk maybe down to the hotel from here. If you have a look at my coach driver hotels of Southampton series, you'll see one about Ham Farm, which is where we were last night. Anyway, so today, not on intercruise today. So final day out. So we've had 4 nights out. This is day 5. Both me and my colleague have got airport pickups running back up to Nottingham. So obviously it's not worth driving all the way back to Nottingham last night to then drive all the way back down to London pretty much today for the airport pickups, because that's just a waste of diesel and a waste of time and a waste of everything. So we have one more night out, and I'm now going to do my walk around check, and then I'm going to Gatwick to pick up a private hire group going back up to Nottingham. So that's a good use of time and resources. Anyway, so this is today. Well, hello from Gatwick Airport Coach Park, where I am waiting now for the group to, well, the flight's actually landed now, but I'm still not allowed to process until the lady in the office over here tells me I can. So still got away a bit longer, but eventually the group will be done. I'll be able to go pick them up. Then I got to battle some London traffic at rush hour, so that'll be fun. And then head up north towards Nottingham while I'm dropping off. And then I'm finally done on this few days out. So yeah, I mean, it's been okay. Maybe I'll do another quick video if I remember when I get back to the depot, just to round it all off.
Well, it turns out that I didn't record another video when I got back to the depot, so here's just a little photo of me and one of the Weird Owls parked up ready for one of the ship pickups over the weekend. Just to say, I know this one's been a little bit of a short one, but hopefully a little insight into the up and down the country life of doing intercruises at most weekends for me. Again, it's going to get more as we ramp up into summer from now on. But guys, as always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, come and find me on Instagram for daily update pictures at RyanBeardRodMe videos. As always, guys, take care, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.